Off-Leash Canine Training of Buffalo, Rochester, and Syracuse, and this here is Clover. She is a 2-year-old of unknown breed. Clover comes to me for 2-week board and training to help her owner get her confidence built up and get her obedience solid and reliable. They haven't really had any issues with Clover at home. She didn't come out of the shelter, so we just need to continue with some potty training, but she's a really even-tempered girl. She's nice and calm. She sticks really close to her owner. The goal is to get her into some service work for her owner. So we just got to get her built up and being able to go out in public, make sure she can keep her sweet demeanor while she does that. Let's see what Clover will do for me today. Clover, come. Yes.